Hey everybody, Rider of the Storm here, or Christopher Thunder. People ask, how do I track my bike? Well, this is how, or one of the ways that I track my bike, but this is one of the easiest. So I have an iPhone, which does tend to lock itself, and my app's on a couple pages back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Find My, and then I'm going to hit the Add button before it shows you where I am. And let's see here. It didn't work. Add. Okay, add AirTag. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel the plastic off this AirTag and activate it very quickly. And then I'm going to say connect. And I'm going to call this my bike, which I'll change later, and hit continue. And I'm going to agree to whatever it is that I can't read because it's pages long. Yeah, that's the world today. All this legal shit that nobody cares about that you have to agree to and then fight later in court because you didn't want to read 10 pages of whatever it was that they were trying to get you to agree to. Okay. My bike is now being tracked. That is awesome. So all I got to do is unlock my door here and pick up the Ziploc bag that I dropped on the ground and drop it in the Ziploc baggie, zip it up for waterproofing, stick it in my trunk, make sure everything's tucked in properly, shut the trunk, and my bike's being tracked. All right, back to my tunes. Awesome. See you later.